Hey, Gareth here, and we are in Seward, Alaska. And we're on the Carnival Luminosa. And, well, we can see all around the snow-capped mountains. Let's just go over here, where you can see the town. Up. There's the town of Seward. Let's walk back on the ship a little bit. The Seven Seas Explorer by Regent is next to us. Pulled in just as we pulled in. It's about half the size of this ship. And this ship is not really that big. 90,000 tons. Over this side. You see there's snow-capped mountains all around us. All around us. It's about 9:30 in the morning. The sun sets at about 9:30 this evening. All right. Pentax. A lot of ships come to Seward because there's a train or a road up to Anchorage, which you see the train right in front of me. Not on the ship. Let's cross back over. Only goes down to there, right? The Sea Life Center is down there. The town provides shuttle buses free, I believe. Get off. We have to go through immigration, customs, whatever, and they're calling by deck, and they started on 9 and we're on deck 1 and they're all the way to deck 6. So there's several hours left. Well, at least an hour. I don't know about several. I imagine at high tide that's all full of water. It's only the second time I've been here. Ooh, dog. And the first time, there were forest fires everywhere and you couldn't see anything. You couldn't see but a couple hundred feet off into the distance. So, it's quite majestic today. And we've crossed from Japan, so we had 7 days of rain and clouds and fog, and this is the first clear day and our first port in 7. So I'm gonna navigate these stairs to get you down here to this level. Anyway, this is Serenity, adults only area, and the back of the ship. They're always clean, always. This is a helipad, these stripes, the yellow dot, and we actually had somebody airlift off of here a couple days ago. So, only. There it is, Seward, Alaska. Let's walk over to this side. And we'll bring this to a close. Watch for our other videos of Seward, Alaska. And, every other port, right? There's a little harbor there. Emergency vehicle coming with its lights flashing, but it's a pickup. So, from Seward, Alaska, I'm Gareth from Port Monkeys, and we'll see you in the next port. Bye.